Hey guys, my name is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel Technology Zone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. As you know, Xiaomi is the largest manufacturer vendor in our country. It started its journey in India in 2013 with its first mobile phone known as Mi 3. But Xiaomi was not initially in the mobile handset business. It started its journey with its operating system known as MIUI. When China was the only country where Xiaomi used to operate, Xiaomi used to ship MIUI with all its smartphones. But later, when it started expanding globally, all of the Xiaomi phones which spreaded all across the globe shipped with MIUI. In all these years, MIUI has refined a lot. It has become more streamlined, and right now in 2021, the MIUI version is 12.0.4. As you all know, for any custom skin, if you want to enjoy all the features, you should have the flagship phone. So today I have with me Redmi K20 Pro. This is the flagship phone of Xiaomi in 2019. It came with Snapdragon 855 processor, which used to be a flagship processor in 2019. So let me now brief you about all the nifty features of MIUI 12. So first of all, I want to tell, right now MIUI 12 is running on Android 10, but soon after it will be updated with Android 11. But as you know, for the custom skins, the custom skin version matters the most. So much not important features will be added with Android 11. Majority of the features which now you will see will be present in Android 11 with some minor changes. So let us begin. First of all, once you go to the control center over here, settings, then you will go with wallpapers, and then you will find in this wallpaper there are two options. See, this is super wallpapers. There are two options. One is Earth, another one is Mars. No MIUI version is complete without the updation of these wallpapers. So with MIUI 12, Xiaomi has provided two wallpapers. Number one is Mars wallpaper, another one is Earth wallpaper. These wallpaper are not only normal wallpapers, static wallpapers, they are dynamic, which also changes with the always on display. Now let me show you. Like if you click the red planet, this will come and you just have to do apply. Once you set this apply, you will see the entire background changes. This is now dark because right now it is night. As soon as it is daytime, this wallpaper will shift to the daytime. So it automatically uses the AI machine learning and changes its color depending on the condition of the day. Now let me talk about the second feature, which is control center. I know now you all will tell me control center belongs to iOS, but MIUI simply copied it. Over here you will find control center and all the notifications, all the icons will be over here. Like see, over here you will find the handset, the mobile service operator, the Wi-Fi operator, the Bluetooth, the flashlight, the screenshot, all the options, screensaver, do not disturb, all the necessary options which you find will be present in the control center. Next, as we saw in iOS, from the left side we find all the notifications. Over here also we can find the same. You just have to drag. Now over here there are three notifications. Once I drag down from the left, all these notifications appeared. So it's just a copy of iOS, I should say. Now let me talk about the third change, which is always on display. The always on display is very vivid in MIUI 12. Let me show you now. You have to click over the settings, and then you will come always on display and lock screen. You have to click this option. After that, this always on display option, you have to click it. Just see how many options are there. Variety of options, you can choose any of them depending on your choice. You can find lot of options. Like from here there are kaleidoscope options, digital clocks. You can even write your own mantra and save it as an always on display. Now from here we can also see that there are options called Glance for MI. Glance for MI is in India, Xiaomi partnered with various content creator options for various wallpapers belonging to technology, travel, business, food, etc. Now from here you can also change the lock screen format. Like typical is this is the common, and you can choose any one of them, like this one, depending on your choice. Now from here you can find passwords and security and raise to wake option, notifications. There are also blinks when notification comes, like Samsung One UI. Over here you just have to click over here. There are 5 options, means whenever any notification will come, you can set any one of these option and your phone screen will behave accordingly. I think it's too much, because how many times your phone have to remind you that you have got a notification in the morning from your WhatsApp group. So we have to just back from this option. Now let me discuss about another important, which is aesthetic changes in MIUI 12. Like for example, every icon which I will tap will show its own display. For example, if I just click Wi-Fi, just saw the animation. For example, Bluetooth, just see the animation. Every icon which you will click in the control center will give you an animated effect. So this looks very pleasing, but mind it, this is a flagship phone, so all the functions will be very smooth. So once you go to the mid-range phone, this smoothness may not be there. Now let me talk another important aspect, which is the animation effect in the system apps. For example, if we just click any one of them, for example, if I want to delete this Share Me app, over here just have to click this, and over here this option will come, and from here I can just uninstall this app. So once I uninstall this app, depending on the color of the app, the animation will affect. For example, over here it is blue color, so once I delete this app, a blue color animation will come. Now let me talk about one other important, very important aspect, which is this background menu. Once I click over here, all the options will be here. All the apps which you have opened is here. Since this phone is a 6GB phone, so the background RAM management is very good. All the apps will be in memory and you don't have to reopen the app once you open this app again. Now let me talk the last but not the least option, which is privacy. Privacy is our right and MIUI respects that. Means there is a dedicated option. You just have to go to the settings. From here, password and security. Once you click this password and security, you will find privacy protection password. This is on, and all the other, there's privacy over here. There's a dedicated option. From here, you can see, you can also encrypt the message what you can send. For example, whenever we share a photo, so MIUI it will do, it will share only the photo, not the location, not the metadata behind it. So your privacy protection will be there. Further, there's also a further layer of protection in MIUI, means whenever you will do any financial transaction, so this will automatically detect the OTP and will copy paste in the banking page. So this also increases the privacy level in the MIUI. So I hope you like this video. I'm trying to plan as many as videos on this custom skins like MIUI over here today, and next I will try to do from Oxygen OS, then Color OS, then FunTouch OS. So this will be very interesting to see how these OS skins operate, because these are heavy skins on top of Android 11. So definitely you will find Android 11 features as well as some own features of the company. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, then like this one, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel Technology Zone, and I will catch you guys very soon. Thank you guys, take care.